Students, we are on the next question, and this question is about finding preposition in paragraph number 3 and 4. In this question, मैं आपको सिर्फ paragraph number 3 में preposition ढूंढ के दूंगा, and for you, I'm gonna ask you that find the preposition in paragraph number 4 by yourself. Let's practice this thing in paragraph number 3. Identify the preposition in paragraph number 3 and 4. During the perilous journey, it was very difficult for anyone to supply food to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It was so delicate that the slightest mistake could have endangered the life of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This grand task was nicely undertaken by Hazrat Asma, the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. Every night, with the pack of food, she would quietly venture towards in which lay the cave of Thur. She took care of the minute details in accomplishing the task. How difficult it must have been for her to traverse the rocky path at night with the constant fear of being detected. So students, I have underlined all the prepositions which are in this paragraph number 3. Now it's your turn to underline the preposition in paragraph number 4. I hope you understand this topic, or we can say concept of preposition. Let's move towards the next question.